Good morning to everyone. How are you all? I hope all will be well. Student, today we are going to start our chapter 5. Its name is division. So student, today I will tell you about division. So today we will read about different type of division property. So let's start. I have given 20 divided by 5. So first of all, we will speak table of 5 ki which number 20 has come. So now 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 5 3 is 15 and 5 4 is 20. Which number come 20? 4. 4 times. Like this I write here 4. So 4 is your answer and we can say our answer quotient. Okay. So student, now we will say 20. 20 is your dividend. Okay, we will say 20. 20 is your dividend. Okay, and next your 5 is your divisor. 5 is your divisor, and those answer we get from this question we will say quotient. Got it? Next, second is student dividing by 1. Yes student, if we divide one any number like, so we will get itself. Okay, so remember student, when we divide a number by 1, okay, the quotient is the number itself. Like this type, I have given you 9 divided by 1. Your answer is 9. 9 is your itself. Okay. If we when we divide a number by 1, we divide any number by 1, the quotient is the number itself. Got it? Next student, and third type of properties dividing by itself. Student, I have given you example here, 11 divided by 11, so we get 1. Okay, so remember student, keep in your mind, when we divide a number by itself, okay, when we divide a number by itself, the quotient is 1. So listen student, now I have given you 12 divided by 12. What will you get? Like this, 12 table, which number come 12? 1 ja. So we write here 1. Okay, so our answer is 1. So listen student again, when we divide a number by itself, the quotient is 1. Okay, like this type. Got it? So we will we will read 4 type of properties. Okay student, like dividing 0. Student, I have taken example here, 0 divided by 5 is equal to 0. Okay, now remember and keep things in your mind beta, when we divide 0 by any number, the quotient is always 0. Okay, like this type I have given example, 0 divided by 8. What will you get? 0. Okay, and 0 divided by 9. What will you get? 0. Listen again, when we divide 0 by any number, the quotient is always 0. Got it? Okay. And next student, number 5, division by 0 is not possible. Ki division by 0 is not possible, like this type, 8 divided by 0. That is not possible. Okay, not possible. Clear? Like this type, 9 divided by 0 also, that is not possible. Got it? Students, so listen, you have to keep this 4 type of property in your mind, okay, while solving this chapter 5. And you have to write in your fair notebook also. So we are talking about HW. Your HW, exercise 1 and 2. Okay, fill in the blanks. This is your SW. Fill in the blanks. Okay, 15 divided by 1. What will you get? Yes, 15. Okay. Next, 64 divided by 1. 0 divided by 9. 16 divided by 1. 16 divided by 16. 24 divided by 1. 15 divided by 9. 14 divided by 8. 13 divided by 7. 12 is divided by 6. 11 divided by 5. 10 divided by 4. 9 divided by 9. 8 divided by 8. 4 divided by 9. Yes. At last 2 divided by 7. Okay, beta? Yes. Yes, this is your HW. Okay. You have to write all properties in your fair notebook. And first of all, you have to write in your fair notebook chapter 5 division. Okay. And after that, you have to start that all type of properties in your fair notebook. Got it? And after that, you will start exercise 1 and 2. This is your HW. Okay, student? Got it? Thank you and have a nice day.